Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kemi and in this video I will be showing you how I use coffee to stimulate hair growth, prevent hair loss and naturally dye your hair. So most of the effects are due to coffee extending the hair growth phase, and as we know our hair grows in 3 different phases. So if we extend the phase our hair grows in, this will result in hair growth. So let's get right into the video. So we will be using coffee. It is preferable to use ground coffee rather than instant coffee for this method. So we add coffee into the bowl and then we add a moisturizing conditioner. So we use a moisturizing conditioner as the health of our hair is dependent on our protein versus moisture balance. And so a protein-based conditioner would be too strong, and this will lead to dry and brittle hair, which is hard to retain moisture and also susceptible to damage. So here you see me adding coffee to the bowl and then followed by a moisturizing conditioner. And the benefits of a coffee rinse or a coffee mask are that it increases blood circulation due to caffeine, and coffee also blocks the DHT hormone, which is known to contribute to hair loss. So by preventing this hormone, we actually stimulate our hair to grow. Coffee also improves the sheen of our hair by making it darker, and that is how coffee acts as a natural hair dye. So after we've added the ingredients into the bowl, we mix it together and we keep on stirring until all of the coffee is dissolved. This could actually be sped up by heating the mixture or just popping it into the oven. I am focusing the mixture on my scalp and the length of my hair, and I am also focusing the mixture on my problematic areas, which is around my hairline, around my temples and the nape of my neck, and I make sure to massage it in to stimulate blood flow to the area. So as you can see, my hair was previously straightened, and so it would take more time for all the product to be absorbed into my hair. But if you're doing this on natural hair, so your hair is in its natural state, you should have no issues. I would recommend applying a plastic bag or a cap over your hair and possibly leaving it overnight or for a couple hours. Here is the result after rinsing out the product from my hair. As you can see, my hair is shiny, sleek and manageable. Thank you for tuning into this video. If you like it, comment, like and subscribe, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up below.